Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make turkey tacos. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need 1 pound of ground turkey, a packet of taco seasoning, and your choice of tortillas. Don't forget to chop your favorite toppings like fresh lettuce, shredded cheese, and diced tomatoes. This easy approach ensures a delicious meal with minimal fuss, perfect for any busy evening. Now let's get cooking. Place your ground turkey in a large skillet over medium heat. Break it up as it cooks until it's fully browned. Once cooked, carefully drain any excess fat from the pan. This step is crucial for a less greasy taco. Then, add 1 packet of taco seasoning and 1/4 cup of water, stirring well to combine everything. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying these easy taco tips, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. After enjoying these delicious tacos, you'll want an easy way to clean up. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your turkey ready, it's time to assemble. Warm your taco shells or tortillas as instructed on their packaging. This makes them pliable and delicious. Spoon a generous amount of the seasoned turkey mixture into each shell. Now comes the fun part. Pile on your favorite toppings. Whether it's crisp lettuce, shredded cheese, salsa, or sour cream, make each taco uniquely yours. Enjoy your homemade turkey tacos.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.